Okay, so now we're going to look at question number 11 from the benchmark. Which expression is equivalent to x squared minus 17x minus 60? And if I'm not sure what the question is asking me, look at your answer choices for clues. I see 2 parentheses, which tells me they want me to factor this to see what I need to multiply to get x squared minus 17x minus 60. So if I'm factoring, I need my x puzzle and I need my boxes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check for a GCF. So I'm going to clear my calculator and I'm going to go to math, right arrow, and then I need my a, b, and c coefficients. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to negative 17 because I'm looking for my x term, and then c is the constant, negative 60. And then, so I did math, right arrow, and press 0. Remember, math, right arrow, 0. Oh, it's math, right arrow, 9. Whew. Okay, thinking of something else. 1, comma 17. Remember, if you have 3 numbers to GCF, you can only type in 2 at a time. And now we're going to use this answer and GCF it with negative 60. So math, right arrow, 9. 1, comma, I can only use the positive number, so I'm going to use 60. And I'm going to use the final GCF of 1. That GCF is 1. So if you're dividing out by 1, none of your coefficients are going to change. So now I can go to my puzzle, and remember, I got to multiply my A and C. So negative 60. B is negative 17. And so now I need to think of numbers that multiply to 60 but add to 17, and I'm thinking off the top of my head, 12 and 5. If you're not sure how to do that, you would go to your calculator into y equals, and you would put 60 divided by x. I always use the positive number instead of negative because when I go to my list of factors in the table, it just makes it easier to work with. And then I can see, oh, 12 and 5, that will get me to 17. So now I need to make sure I have my signs correct. And actually, I don't think that's going to work. Do you?